together.
Best friends drawings.
It is worse than we feared.
We are doomed. Do you want to see our drawings? Okay, that's so bad. That was such a good picture.
Yeah, I must cover my eyes.
I cannot cover my eyes. What are you laughing about?
Just turn the page. Turn the page.
What? There's nothing. No. Ta-da! Oh, okay. What? You got it. Read.
You made drawings of
Us? Yikes! I lost my spot. Okay, here. Have fun with your new friends.
I'm making it look like something.
The penis part. Are you just gonna leave out the penis stuff?
Hold on. Okay, what is that?
I have no idea.
I have no idea. It's his nostril. Look at that.